Hello there, Homeschool Planet users. Today, I wanted to show you quickly how to toggle between a 5 or 7 day view of your calendar. Some days we need to see all 7 days, and others it's easier to claim a little more screen real estate and just have 5 columns. Once you're logged into your planner, if you're in calendar view, you can be in either the week or the month mode, and then either way, you'll see an S in the 2 corners here on the left and on the right. And when you click that, it will automatically change you from 5 to 7. You'll notice they're white when you're in the 7-day view and colored in the 5-day view. And really, that's all there is to it. A quick click and it will change what you see. While I'm talking about viewing that calendar, you also have the option, let's set this to 7 days a week, to go into settings, general, and then go to time and date, and you can have your week start on Sunday, on Saturday, which will give you then your weekend and then the days of the week, or you can move the weekends to the end by also going into general, time and date, and choosing Monday as your first day, and then this will all shift over. We'll have the first 5 days and then our weekend. I like mine to match my calendar, so I'm going to move it back, and I'm going to have my start day be Sunday, and that's all there is to it. If there's anything you need or any way we can help you, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day.